Guys, let's unbox my I bought something clothes, guys. So it's here from buksan natin, guys. Ano laman nito? Ayan. Okay, guys. So here it is. Ayan. It's Forever 21 clothes. It's a clothes from Forever 21. So I have two Forever 21. Okay, so let's open it. Let's open it. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, it's from Forever 21. Oh, it's black again. Puro na lang tayo black. Let's see. Okay. Let's get it. Paano ba ito buksan? Ito pa lang. It's a short, guys. Let me try on. It's a shorts. Uy, parang mang malaki. And a blouse. Ayan. So, this is the thing, guys. And the shorts, let's see. Let's try on. Uy, maluwag. Maluwag man, guys. Agoy, malaki man. Hindi man kasya. Maluwag. And, let's see the clothes sheet. It should be right. So, ayan, ganyan siya, guys. Ganyan siya, guys. Ayan. Pang forma. Ayan. Maluwag siya, guys. Maluwag. Ibigay ko na lang, padala ko sa Pinas. Maluwag. Yan, kahit ganun pa, oh. Maluwag. Kasya sa pamangkin ko. So, ayan siya. Pero maganda ito. Pang ganun ba? Pang forma. So, siya, guys, size small. Dapat pala extra small. So, size small siya, guys. Size small. Pero okay lang ito kasi oversize. Pero the short, guys, is very maluwag. Look at, very maluwag. So, dapat pala extra small. Ayan, oh, small siya, guys. Pero malaki pa rin sa akin. So, ibigay ko na lang sa pamangkin ko. So, the next one, let's see what is this. Hindi ko ito in order. Oh, it's a dress. Ano to? dress. Okay. Let's see. Oh, ang ganda niya. Small siya, guys. Wow, ang ganda. Oh, it's a gown. Agoy, parang malaki pa rin. Let's try. Wait, guys. Let me try. Siya, guys. Ayan. My second clothes. Ayan. Oh, diba, guys? Look at from Forever 21. It's nice. Saan? Ang tanong, saan ako pupunta? Ayan, look at. Ayan. It's a small. Yeah. It's very nice. Small. Yung isa is black. Alright? Is it nice? Alright. Try on. May slit siya, guys, slit. Ganon siya, ganyan. Slit, pwede. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? Alright, ang ganda. Alright, next natin is, may isa pa. Tatlo siya, guys. Unpacking. So, another black. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. Ayan, it's pretty. Ayan. So, try on natin ulit, guys. Try on. Ayan. So, let's try. This is the third one. So, yeah. Huwag nyo na lang i-bother ang ano, ha. Kita yung bra ko. So, ayan. So, this is the thing. Look at sa likod. Ayan. Feeling young lang, teenager. Look at this. Super young. Feeling young lang tayo, no? Alright, this is the third one. Try again the other one. So without the thing, okay? So let's try this. Okay. This is the first one, guys. So the short is super, it's small, but it's so, ayan. Maano siya, guys, maluwag. Ayan. So, ayun siya. Pang ano siya, guys, yung pang daily walk natin. So, ayun. So, ayan siya. So, this is the first one from Forever 21. And the second one, I loved. This one is really fit perfect on me. And I love the color. It's kind of blue, between blue and parang Tiffany siya, guys. Tiffany color. At least may iba ba, walang black. Ayan. Tapos, this one. So, it's pretty also. Ayan. So, we're gonna have to, what do we call this one? So, yeah. Pang party siya. So, thank you, guys. Shout out, thank you, guys, to all my, shout out to everyone, to all my members, super chatters, and to my GCP, Piamelo team, Team Puyaters, Adventurous. Thank you so much, and thank you also who supported my grand live stream. Thank you, CCPia, for always supporting my channel for the sponsorship. And congratulations all winners, and hope you enjoy our games and prizes. And don't forget to click like and share. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa new video. Please like and share. Bye bye guys. See you around. Thank you so much.